Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you are looking for a simple recipe to prepare for your family, you're in the right place. If you enjoy my videos and have not subscribed, I hope you can do so as soon as you can. By the way, I upload new videos 2 to 3 times a week, so be sure to look out for new ones weekly. So much for my introduction. Today's recipe is pork ribs with yam and tomato. I'm using 5 heirloom tomatoes, 1 yam, about 6 or 7 cloves of garlic, and 1 thumb-sized ginger. I'm also using halved white onion, cut it into squares or ½ inch in length. Cut ginger in slices, just like that. Since I have extra time, so I'm just gonna chop up my garlic. Chop, chop, chop. I'm using 1 pound of pork ribs, cut it into 1 inch in length, wash with salt water and let it dry. On a saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of salted butter. Make sure the bottom pan is coated with butter. Add in minced garlic. Add in pork ribs. Drizzle in about a teaspoon of cooking oil. Toss the ribs around and add in ginger. Add in first batch of white onion. Add in 1/2 piece of brown sugar. The molasses in brown sugar retains moisture, therefore it will give me a much denser sauce toward the end, and it also adds a nice color to my recipe. I do apologize for my hoarse voice. I just caught this virus. It's a cold virus, and hopefully I'll get better soon. Your support to my channel keeps me going. I'm actually wearing an N95 mask to prepare meals for my family, just to be on the safe side. Now I add in 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. Add in a tablespoon of soy sauce. Add in enough water to cover all the meat. I'm actually adding in about 6 cups of water. Cover with a lid and cook for 1 hour under low to medium heat. While waiting for my meat to cook, I'm going to prepare my yam. Peel the skin and cut the yam into chunks, just like that. On a new saucepan, add in a tablespoon of salted butter. Add in chunks of yam and pan sear it until the edges turn golden brown. Turn off the heat and leave it aside. Now I'm preparing my tomato. Add in the rest of the white onion with a teaspoon of cooking oil. Stir fry the onion until it turns golden brown, lightly golden brown. Then add in tomatoes. Toss over for about a minute and add in a teaspoon of salt and turn off the heat. Leave it aside. You probably wonder why I'm preparing different batches for my recipe. It's very simple. I don't want to overcook my tomatoes or yam, so that's why I'm doing this. 45 minutes into cooking my pork ribs, I'm going to add in my yam. Turn heat to high to reduce the sauce. Add in tomato and white onion and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Add in cornstarch mixture to thicken the sauce to finish off the dish. Then garnish your dish with green onion, cilantro, and black pepper. That's it for this recipe. Hope you enjoyed my video so far. This is a serving for 5 people, serving over rice. Until then, thank you so much for your time and support. See you on my next video. Take care. Bye now.